Hi everyone, welcome to another video, Algebra 1 Common Core Exam Prep. Today we will be going over two past exam questions on solving systems of equations. Question 1. What is the solution for the system of equations below? Y is equal to 2x plus 8 and 3 times negative 2x plus y is equal to 12. And first thing we got to do is to write both equations in standard form. And standard form means we have the two variables on one side. So y equal 2x plus 8. We need to have the 2x on this side. So what we did, we minus 2x from both sides, and this is what we get. Next, we simplify, removing the parentheses. Negative 6x plus 3y equals 12. Our second step is to make the coefficient of one variable opposite. Make the coefficient of one variable opposite. Because we're using the method of elimination, we cannot readily eliminate any one of the variables. So we have to make one of the variables opposite. We do that by, let's take the first equation. We're going to multiply by negative 3 so that we can make this variable opposite. So we're going to multiply by 3, and this is equal to positive 6x. We multiply by negative 3, and this becomes negative 3y. We multiply by negative 3, and this becomes negative 24. So now we have our two equations with one of the equations having opposite variable. Opposite coefficient. Okay, so let's write our two. So now this is our this is what we're working with. So it is 6x minus 3y is equal to negative 24. And then this one, negative 6x plus 3y is equal to 12. So now what we're going to do now, we're going to add. So the y variable is eliminated because now it's equal to 0. And the x is also eliminated. So this is also 0 is equal to negative 12. So right away, we realize that there is no solution. So this is our options. So the first option is our correct choice. So let's move on to question 2. What is the solution to this system of equations? So we can put a big question sign right there. What is the solution to this system of equation? 2x plus 4y equals 22. And 7x plus y is equal to 12. So already we have our equations in standard form, both variables on the left side. So we're going to multiply. We're going to multiply to make the coefficient of one of the variables opposite. So let's do this one. So we're going to multiply by -4. Multiply by -4. So when we multiply by -4, this will become -28x. 4 7s 28, -28x. We multiply by 4, we get -4y, and we multiply by -4, multiply by -4, -4, multiply by -4, and we get -48. So our first equation, 2x plus 4y is equal to 22, and then our second equation is now -28x minus 4y is equal to -48. So now we're going to add. That cancels out. That is eliminated. 2x minus -28x is equal to -26x is equal to -26. Next, we're going to divide both sides by -26. So this is equal to, we're left with x on this side and -26 divided by -26 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. The solution for x is 1. Now we can go back to any one of the equations, the original equation. We can go back to any one of them and solve for the next variable. So let's equation 1. 2x plus 4y is equal to 22. X is 1, so it is 2 times 1 plus 4y is equal to 22. 2 times 1 2 plus 4y equals 22. 4y is equal to 22 minus 2, because we're minusing 2 from both sides. Twenty-two minus 2, which is equal to 20. And we're going to divide both sides now by 4. Divide both sides by 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. So y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. And our next and last step is to write the solution as an ordered pair. So our ordered pair is, I could put it right here, 1, 5. This is our ordered pair. So we go, it's multiple choice, so we go to all options, our choices, and option 3 is the correct choice. And there you have it. Solving systems of equation by the process of elimination, or the method of elimination. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. As soon as you tune into the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.